I'm taking a video to me. Look at that. From bottom. Oh, bottom.
Go,
All
go
the way up.
to the top.
Top. Isn't that awesome?
Yep.
We don't need to see your face. We only need to see the fidget spinners.
Isn't it so cool? These my brothers and mine.
Boom. And this is one. This one.
Don't touch it.
Uh-oh, I spinned it.
It's okay.
This
It's
green
okay.
one.
It's okay.
The blue one. To this bone.
The blue one's kind of
Dog
bad.
one. Yeah, it is. Uh-oh. Oh, no, no, no. This part one.
Touching it.
Two-sided yellow, two-sided yellow.
Black. 12
The black 12-sided one. And a two-sided bone, tiny version.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Let's knock it down. Ready, sweet?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, we're still standing. So first we had this.
And then we have
This one's not yet. So we have this 3D printed one, white. Awesome. Looks really cool.
Yep.
But then we have that. Then we have this yellow one, Shimon's. This person's. We got this blue one, mine. And then, oh, this one, 3D printed. My name imprinted in it, engraved. Then we have this blue one. And then, oh yeah, we had this one. There's more. And then we had this. Wait a minute. Yeah, this one.
it was red. It's a giant bony fish winner.
Actually, no, no. This one's. This
Sorry,
one's there.
that one was first.
And this one was after. Well, first, kind of bad. Oh, we have this heart one, my sister's. .3D printed. Yeah, not that bad. Wait, is this? Then we got Simmons next. Then we got mine. We have this. And then we have this tiny one. Compare it to my hand. Very tiny. And then so yeah. And we have more of these that we didn't use. Like these ones.
We have Lego ones too, and Yumi made them. So get this one.
Yeah, and then the grinder.
This
Okay, can you spin this for a second?
Okay.
And just keep spinning it and spinning it. Right, Simi, stop. Yeah. Right, so
So it's
that's
like really cool and my favorite.
no. My favorite one is this one, the dog one, the big one. Actually, no, it's a small dog one.
Let's do the other winners.
And then this is the last one, very
Yeah.
first Lego fidget spinner I made.
This is the very first made fidget spinner. So, just look it. Look it. Just look it.
So again, this one.
And then this one.
This one.
And then this one.
This one. Oh, dang it. No. Dang it, yeah. Hard to spin with one hand. There we go.
And then this one.
Swimming, shh. Okay. Swimming. Hand me that. Dang it. This one's kind of too big for my actual hand, though. Swimming, stop. Swimming, stop.
And then this one.
Shh. My second favorite. And then Simmons.
It's mine.
Wait. Then this one, mine. This one, very light. The what? Won't work. Dang it. I'm gonna order them in my favorite. So, my most favorite was here. Second. Third most favorite.
And then the
Fourth.
grinder.
The grinder. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this star. No. And then it's like this one. And then this one. No. And then on the Star Wars one. This blue. No. So. So that. Not done yet though. And then this one. This one. This one. Wait, so. And now this Star Wars one. I don't know. This Star Wars one. Here. See my other Lego one?
Mm-hmm.
There. Ninja Star. Well, Shuriken. Yeah. And then mine. So it means. Boom.
These are all Princess Bananas. And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15 fish spinners.
I we actually have 16 because we lost my bone one.
Well, yeah.
Here. Oh, here. Look, it means tiny bone one.
Yeah. A yellow version.
Yeah. It was cute.
Boom.
So that's our Princess Bananas today.
Shimmy, which one's your favorite?
Mine is the Grinder and Gold.
Grinder. Genji. Shimmy, which one do you like better? The grinder or the gold one?
I think I like Gold.
I love.
But it don't really look good that much because sometimes because once it kind of,
Well, yeah, it made you bleed.
yeah. But now the cuts are gone.
Yeah. Boom.
Yep, that's all for today. Oops. That's all.